Allah left you a note today. It's short, it's simple. It doesn't come with conditions or a list of things you need to fix first. It says, I know, I see you, keep going. This video is that note, written for exactly who needed to find it right now. You've been carrying something you haven't fully explained to anyone, not because you're hiding it on purpose, but because some things are too tangled and too personal to put into words, even for yourself. Allah says in the Quran, and He is with you wherever you are. That's the first line of this note, not a lecture, not a list of everything you need to fix before you're worthy of comfort, just presence, quiet and unwavering. He was there for the version of today you didn't post, about the tired one, the uncertain one, the one only He actually witnessed in full. You keep measuring yourself by results, whether the prayer felt perfect, whether the effort actually worked, whether today counted for anything meaningful at all. This note isn't measuring you that way, and it never was. It's noticing the trying itself, the fact that you showed up even exhausted, even unsure, even in moments when quietly giving up would have been so much easier. That noticing doesn't wait for the outcome to be impressive first. It happens the moment you try. Whatever chapter you're currently living through, however hard or heavy it feels right now, it is not the whole book of your life. This note doesn't promise that everything suddenly becomes easy tomorrow. It reminds you that this specific stretch, painful as it is, isn't where your story ends. There is more still coming than what today, in its current state, is able to show you. You don't need to respond to this with anything grand or dramatic. Carry it gently with you tonight, the reminder that you are seen today, exactly as you are, without needing to be more put together or more composed first. Let that be enough to hold on to until tomorrow arrives with its own mercy. I know, I see you. Keep going. That was the whole note. And it was written for you. Comment received if you needed exactly this today. And if someone you know needs this same note, send it to them. Allah Hafiz.